To properly clean your Shark PowerDetect AV robot vacuum models, first of all we'll need to grab our device and turn it upside down, because that's where we usually find all of the places that we should clean. And I'm gonna start this video by cleaning all of the sensors. So to clean that sensors, here I have the microfiber cloth sheet, and also I'm gonna use the LCD cleaner. So I'm gonna spray a bit on that cloth, then we're gonna wipe it slightly, and now we're gonna grab this and clean the sensors. So there's two sensors at the front right here, then there's another sensor on the left and right. Make sure to clean them properly. And then we can move to one of the sensors at the front right here. So we can use the same thing, just swipe it until it's cleaned. So now we have all of these sensors cleaned. Next thing that we should clean usually is a main brush. There's also a side brush, but it's pretty easy. All you have to do is swipe it like that. Do not use water on that, otherwise the fibers the fibers could get damaged. So just swipe it with your fingers like this, so all of the dust or anything on it will come off. Now main brush can be removed by clicking on those two buttons right here. Then we can remove our main brush, and also I wouldn't recommend using water on this. You can swipe it with your hands or some cloth as well. Now I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so next part is to remove our dustbin. You can do it by clicking on those two buttons right here, and then there's our dustbin. Open it like this, and then first thing is to pay attention right here on our HEPA filter. For me it's removed, but usually it should look something like that. We need to remove our filter. Grab a screwdriver and unscrew this one right here until the cover for our filter is also removed. Okay, so the cover can be cleaned without water. All you have to do is swipe it with some fiber or anything until it's properly cleaned out. We can put it aside. Then there's our HEPA filter. To clean it, I wouldn't recommend using water as well. All you have to do is grab this and just hit it under the trash bin until all of the dust is gone. You can also use the compressed air to properly clean it. That would be the best, but if you don't have a compressor or something like that, then it won't work. Now when it comes to the dustbin, you can actually clean it under the running water, but before you do that, make sure to remove the HEPA filter and the cover, and then just use the water to properly clean your dustbin. And that way we've just cleaned everything that is meant to be cleaned on our Shark PowerDetect. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.